وقالوا لولا نزل هذا القرآن على رجل من القريتين عظيم.
They say, why was this Quran not sent down upon some great man from the two main cities?
أهم يقسمون رحمة ربك نحن قسمنا بينهم معيشتهم في الحياة الدنيا ورفعنا بعضهم فوق بعض درجات ليتخذ بعضهم بعضا سخريا ورحمة ربك خير مما يجمعون.
Is it they who distribute the mercy of your Lord? It is we who have distributed their livelihood among them in the life of this world, and have raised some above others in rank, that some of them may harness others to their service. Your Lord's mercy is better than all the treasures that they hoard.
ولولا أن يكون الناس أمة واحدة لجعلنا لمن يكفر بالرحمن لبيوتهم سقفا من فضة ومعارج عليها يظهرون.
Were it not that all mankind would become a single community and follow the same way, we would have provided for all those who disbelieve in the Merciful One silver roofs for their houses and silver stairs on which to go up.
ولبيوتهم أبوابا وسررا عليها يتكئون.
And silver doors to their houses and couches of silver upon which they would recline.
وزخرفا وإن كل ذلك لما متاع الحياة الدنيا والآخرة عند ربك للمتقين.
Or that they be made of gold. Surely all this is only the enjoyment of the life of the world. But true prosperity in the hereafter with your Lord is only for the God-fearing.
ومن يعش عن ذكر الرحمن نقيض له شيطانا فهو له قرين.
He who is negligent to remember the Merciful One, to him we assign a Satan as his boon companion.
وَإِنَّهُمْ لَيَصُدُّونَهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ.
And these Satans hinder them from the right path, while he still reckons himself to be rightly guided.
حتى إذا جاءنا قال يا ليت بيني وبينك بعد المشرقين فبئس القرين.
But when he comes to us, he will say to his Satan, would that there had been between me and you the distance as between the east and the west. How evil a companion you were.
ولن ينفعكم اليوم إذ ظلمتم أنكم في العذاب مشتركون.
He will then be told, today it will not benefit you the least that after your wrongdoing you and your Satans now share the chastisement.
أفأنت تسمع الصم أو تهدي العمي ومن كان في ضلال مبين.
Can you, O prophet then make the deaf hear, or direct to the right way the blind, or one lost in manifest error?
فإما نذهبن بك فإنا منهم منتقمون.
We shall inflict retribution on them, whether we take you away from the world before we do that,
أو نرينك الذي وعدناهم فإنا عليهم مقتدرون.
or make you see the end that we had promised them, for we have full power over them.
فاستمسك بالذي أوحي إليك إنك على صراط مستقيم.
So hold fast to what has been revealed to you. Surely you are on the straight way.
وإنه لذكر لك ولقومك وسوف تسألون.
Verily, it is a great source of eminence for you and your people, and soon you will be called to account concerning that.
واسأل من أرسلنا من قبلك من رسلنا أجعلنا من دون الرحمن آلهة يعبدون.
Ask all our messengers whom we sent before you, whether we had appointed any deities beside the Merciful, one to be worshipped.
ولقد أرسلنا موسى بآياتنا إلى فرعون وملئه فقال إني رسول رب العالمين.
Indeed, we sent Moses with our signs to Pharaoh and his nobles. He told them, I am a messenger of the Lord of the universe.
فلما جاءهم بآياتنا إذا هم منها يضحكون.
Yet when he brought forth clear signs from us, then lo, they burst into laughter.
وما نريهم من آية إلا هي أكبر من أختها وأخذناهم بالعذاب لعلهم يرجعون.
Every sign that we showed them was greater than its predecessor, and then we seized them with our chastisement so that they may return to the right way.
وقالوا يا أيها الساحر ادع لنا ربك بما عهد عندك إننا لمهتدون.
Whenever they faced an affliction, they would say, O magician, pray for us to your Lord, according to your station with him. We shall certainly be guided to the right way.
فلما كشفنا عنهم العذاب إذا هم ينكثون.
But lo, each time we removed our affliction from them, they would go back on their word.
ونادى فرعون في قومه قال يا قوم أليس لي ملك مصر وهذه الأنهار تجري أليس لي ملك مصر وهذه الأنهار تجري من تحتي أفلا تبصرون.
And Pharaoh proclaimed among his people, My people, do I not have dominion over Egypt, and are these streams not flowing beneath me? Can't you see?
أم أنا خير من هذا الذي هو مهين ولا يكاد يبين.
Am I better, or this contemptible man who is scarcely able to express himself?
فلولا ألقي عليه أسورة من ذهب أو جاء معه الملائكة مقترنين.
Why were bracelets of gold not bestowed upon him? Why did a retinue of angels not accompany him as attendants?
فاستخف قومه فأطاعوه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
He incited his people to levity, and they obeyed him. Surely they were an iniquitous people.
فلما آسفونا انتقمنا منهم فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
So when they incurred our wrath, we exacted retribution from them and drowned them all.
فجعلناهم سلفا ومثلا للآخرين.
And made them a thing of the past and an example for those who would come after them.
ولما ضرب ابن مريم مثلا إذا قومك منه يصدون.
No sooner the example of the son of Mary was mentioned than lo, and behold, your people raised a clamor.
وقالوا أآلهتنا خير أم هو ما ضربوه لك إلا جدلا بل هم قوم خصمون.
And said, Who is better, our deities or he? They said so only out of contentiousness. They are a disputatious people.
إن هو إلا عبد أنعمنا عليه وجعلناه مثلا لبني إسرائيل.
He was no more than a servant of ours, one upon whom we bestowed our favors, and whom we made an example of our infinite power for the children of Israel.
ولو نشاء لجعلنا منكم ملائكة في الأرض يخلفون.
If we had so willed, we could have made some of you into angels to become your successors on earth.